Good day everyone, I am Michael Anto and I am Iski Kagawad of our barangay, and today I would like to share with you our simple yet meaningful environmental efforts, tree planting and taking care of our surroundings, particularly here in our spring area. We know nature plays a very important role in our lives. However, over time, our natural resources have been continuously damaged. This is what we call environmental degradation. It is one of the major issues we face today. But what exactly causes it? First, excessive cutting of trees or illegal logging is a primary cause of soil erosion, flooding, and the loss of natural habitats for animals. Second, improper waste disposal, especially plastics, pollutes our water and soil. The third one is the overuse of natural resources such as excessive mining and the use of chemicals in agriculture leads to pollution and environmental poisoning. As a response, the Bayabasan SK Councils, together with the youth of our barangay, launched greening initiatives. One of these is planting trees around our spring area. That's we called uh, Bugaoy Spring, which once which was once beautiful but gradually lost its shade and vitality due to deforestation. Aside from this, every Sunday morning we need to clean and pick up trash in the area as part of our cleanup drive. This activity, guys, are not only for the cleanliness and beauty of our surroundings, but they are also a way to nurture the eco-literacy of the youth, helping them become more aware and responsible when it comes to environmental concerns. So I believe guys that small steps, as long as they are consistent and done together, can lead to big changes. That's why I encourage everyone, young and old alike, to be part of this solution. Let us start with simple acts like planting trees, reducing plastic use, and proper waste disposal. Because if we don't act now, when will we? We all know that nature is life. Let us protect it. Thank you very much, everyone.